How to restore old WhatsApp chats after I have skipped to restore on Android. So, while logging into your account, if you have skipped the verification process or if you have skipped the restore or recover your chats option, then what you need to do is simply don't proceed. You need to uninstall the application. And once you uninstall the WhatsApp application, you need to go back to the Play Store or your App Store, and then you need to install the application again. And once you've again installed the application, you need to go for the login page, tap on agree and continue, which is on the bottom, and go for the login and enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, it will ask you if you want to reset or recover your chats or messages on WhatsApp. Then you need to simply tap on OK or yes, and you need to proceed. So if you have skipped that previously, then simply uninstall the application and then again install it and try to log in, and you will get the restore option again. So that's it. That's how you can restore old WhatsApp chats after I have skipped to restore on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.